Alright guys, this is going to be a different kind of video. I usually don't get products sent to me, so shout out to Shine Armor for sending me their ceramic spray. So the car's already pretty clean. They did give me some microfiber towels, so shout out to them. So the car's already pretty clean. You can see it's pretty clean, you can see me. But I'm going to apply this stuff. I think one of the most underrated things getting for free is cleaning stuff, because a lot of people don't realize like it adds up when you have to keep buying wax and stuff, especially if you want to take care of your car and if you're like me and you don't have a garage or anything. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this, and then I'll give you the before and after. Now all you're going to do is just literally just take the bottle. I'm pretty sure the directions are on it too. So yeah, literally the directions are right here for you. So you're just going to spray it on the car and then let it sit for about a minute to 2 minutes, and then you're going to spray it on the microfiber as well, and then we'll buff that whole area. And then after it's been on for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you're going to take the other microfiber and buff it out. Alright, so we just sprayed this whole area right here and right here. Let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to take the other microfiber they gave us. I'm just going to lightly just go around the whole area and buff it in. Alright, now that we have buffed it out, I don't know if you'll be able to see difference on camera. Right here it's all been done, and then we can look at the rest of the paint. You might see that it slightly gets darker. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up the best. So, but just as a test, and put it right here. It's not really. And if I put it over here, that'll show you the difference. If I put it right here, it just kind of falls because it's not smooth. So now we're gonna do the rest of the car, and then I'll let you guys see before and after. I'll try to take some before and after photos. Alright, so now the fender's done, the whole hood is done. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up. This car is pretty clean before. I'll try to go to the parts that are, this is all clean with the Shine Armor, and then we'll look at the door. You might be able to see difference looking at the door. So, but also it hasn't fully cured yet. So, you can really see. So now just the fenders are left. So this is the fender before. I don't know how well the camera will do on picking it up. I guess we'll really know tomorrow when the sun comes out. That way this thing can cure overnight. So here's how the fender looks right now. So we'll close. See a couple of water spots in the paint. Yes, you see, all this can come out. So this is one that's already been done. So I've already sprayed the rag, so let's see if you guys can see this on camera. Let's see it working. This part right here is all done with the Shine Armor. This whole side is done with the Shine Armor right here. Keep in mind this car is not ceramic coated, and I daily drive this every day, so I have noticed that it is bringing out a lot of the car's imperfections in the paint. That's okay, I drive it every day. So now we're gonna go to the other side, and now you can instantly see, I think right here already. So from the Nissan badge this way is done with the Shine Armor, and then to the right it's not. So I think this will probably be the best comparison you can see on the camera. If you just look this way, the red really seems to come out more, and then as you just transition over here, it looks more like this darker, like the red's not coming out as much as it is on this side. So, but now we'll just do that side, and the whole car will be done. So it is the next day, clearly, and the car sat overnight, got to let it cure. I had to drive it though last night, so I don't think it It's sat for 4 hours without being driven, but I haven't even touched it yet or messed with it. So let's go ahead and put the water bottle on it. See if it just, okay. Just slides right off. Now, the main test, we're gonna see if it beads off. So, keep in mind this car is not ceramic coated or anything. All I did yesterday was wash it off and then I put the ceramic spray on it. Yep, it literally comes right off. Nah, that literally just comes right off, so really impressive actually. So definitely recommend you guys get this product. Yeah, it just literally beads right off. That's crazy. And it's about to rain, so perfect. That's crazy, it just comes right off. And definitely recommend this product. Shout out again to Shine Armor for sending it to me. I don't think they expected me to make a YouTube video of it, but I might as well. So definitely recommend this product, guys. I'll put a link in the description for you guys, or I'll put their Instagram on the screen if you want to order it for yourself. So, but definitely recommend it. It didn't take me that long to apply, and the car was already pretty clean, but now that it's sat and cured, that's pretty crazy seeing how the water just beads off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and let me know if you've used their product before or if you're going to use it now after seeing this.